What's up? Guess you really didn't expect me to make another video, huh? Well, you're wrong. Because I am. I'm eating pie right now. Pumpkin pie. Hey y'all, it's Aniah, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. From Jean Mitchell Basquiat to Barbara Brandon Croft, there are a lot, and I mean a lot, of art styles today. I mean, there's pop art, there's line art, there's conceptual futurism art, there's abstract art, there's expressionism art, there's conceptual art, there's abstract art, there's just a lot of art. And today in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit about art styles and how you can create your very own. Let's start with what is a art style. It's just basically how the artist portrays their subject. Let's say if they always use some type of shape. Say they only use circles in their art. That's an art style. Whatever is unique to yourself, that's what I would say, or that's how I would define the definition of art style. Let me start off and talk a little bit about my experience creating an art style. In the beginning, I really didn't have a true art style, and it kind of like was one of the things that I really wanted to develop. But eventually, as I kept on drawing and putting in my effort, I created my own art style, and I just want to share with you guys like my journey on how I created an art style, and hopefully I can help someone that really wants to make an art style. These are tips on how you can create your own art style. Tip number 1, be free with your art. Basically, just get a piece of paper, and I'm reading for notes right now. Basically, just get a piece of paper and just literally go ham with what you got and see what's on that paper. Once you bring out that piece of paper and go free, what do you come up with? These are questions that you need to ask yourself. Like, what do you come up with? What is on that paper? Honestly, I can't tell you enough how many times I made an art style on accident, on complete accident. I would just be doing something on paper, and I'm like, yo, that is my next art style, thing that I want to continue. That is something that is unique to me and original. That's what an art style is. It's yours. You have it. You're the only one that creates it. And I feel like it's very good as an artist to like distinguish yourself from others, because then you would just be like another like artist, I guess. So that's what makes you unique, and that's what is yours, you know? Tip number 2. This one can be a little bit controversial, so take this very like, you know, with a grain of salt. Study other artists' work. And you're like, Aniah, why would I study other people's work? Isn't that copying? Is that cheating? Isn't that plagiarism in the artist world? And no, it's not. If you look at somebody's art paper and you're like, wow, that is beautiful, that is no different from inspiration. You can use this as inspiration to create your own art style and be like, okay, I love how this artist included this portion into their art style. They were a little bit more creative. This person was a little bit more free, and I kind of dig that. So I'm gonna add that to my art style. I'm gonna add this piece to my art style. I'm gonna add that piece to my art style. Believe it or not, most artists gather pieces from other artists and add them to their art style to create something unique. Also look at other artists' work and study it and say, hey, like, I don't like that art style. I do like this art style. What makes me like this so much? Tip number 3, try new things. Try new mediums, try new brushes. If you're a painter, try new things. Because let me tell you something, if you don't try new things, you're gonna be stuck in a box. And not literally, because if you were stuck in a box, that would be like, be a little weird, wouldn't it? But literally, try new things.
Also, just to add one thing, because I'm editing right now and I just forgot to mention that basically trying new things really prompts creating new art styles, because you would find stuff that you didn't even know was there, and you could be like, dang, well, I just made an art style out of something new that I didn't even know that I could paint with. I didn't know that I could draw with. I didn't know that I could, I don't know, sketch with. So try new things. Very, very important.
With that being said, I'm Aniah.
This is 3 tips on how you can draw your own art style.
And I'm signing out.
Peace.
Peace.